Reverse psychology is a fascinating tactic where you encourage someone to do the opposite of what you want. Understanding rejection as a growth tool can empower you. Let's explore 13 lessons to help you leverage rejection effectively. Understanding rejection. Rejection often triggers feelings of sadness and anger, but these reactions can be transformed. Embracing rejection fosters resilience and strength. By reframing your perception, you can see rejection as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. The power of perspective. Viewing rejection as constructive feedback can significantly enhance personal development. Many successful individuals like J.K. Rowling and Steve Jobs faced rejection before achieving greatness. Embrace challenges as growth opportunities and watch your perspective transform. Using rejection as motivation. Rejection can ignite determination and ambition. Consider figures like Oprah Winfrey and Michael Jordan, who transformed setbacks into motivation. Set clear goals in response to rejection and channel your feelings into productive actions for success. Building resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, crucial for personal and professional success. Develop a resilient mindset by embracing challenges, maintaining a positive outlook, and practicing self-care. Remember, resilience is key to overcoming rejection and thriving. Rejection as a learning tool. Rejection offers valuable lessons that can enhance personal growth. Analyze your experiences to uncover insights and improve future decisions. For instance, many successful people have used rejection to refine their goals and make better choices. The art of detachment. Detaching self-worth from rejection is essential for emotional well-being. Embrace self-acceptance and self-love by practicing mindfulness and positive affirmations. Focus on your strengths and values, allowing you to maintain emotional distance and resilience in the face of rejection. Rejection in relationships. Rejection significantly impacts friendships and romantic relationships, often leading to misunderstandings. Handle rejection gracefully by practicing empathy and maintaining composure. Encourage open communication to address feelings, fostering stronger connections and reducing the emotional weight of rejection in social situations. Rejection and creativity. Rejection often fuels the creative process, pushing artists to innovate. Use rejection as a catalyst for new ideas and perspectives. Many successful creators like Vincent van Gogh and J.K. Rowling thrived after facing significant rejection, transforming setbacks into inspiration. Transforming rejection into acceptance. Acceptance is vital for personal growth, allowing you to move forward. Embrace rejection as a natural part of life by practicing mindfulness and self-compassion. These techniques help transform negative feelings into opportunities for healing and self-discovery. Creating a support system. A supportive network is crucial for navigating rejection. Friends and mentors play a vital role in providing encouragement and perspective. Seek support by sharing your experiences and focus on building a strong network through open communication and mutual trust. Conclusion. In summary, we explored how to leverage rejection for personal growth, emphasizing resilience and perspective. Remember, rejection can be a powerful teacher. If you found these insights helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content.